Hello everyone, this is solving for the variable. So first I have negative 4p minus 8 equals 5 plus 20p. I want all of my variable to the left. So let me label negative 4p a variable. So I'm going to label them v. This one, negative 8 is a number. So I'm just going to put the number sign right there. This one, 20p is a variable. So I'm going to put a v on top. So what I want is I want all of my variable to the left side. So now I have this one already on the left, negative 4p, right? I need 20p on the right side right here to move to the left too, so that I can have all of my variable to the left side. So to do that, we have to move over the equal sign, right? So the equal sign is the one with the magic power, in which it transforms whatever that the sign on the other side have to the opposite. So I have a plus 20p right here. I'm going to become a negative 20p. Okay. So notice I'm just going to move the positive 20 over the equal sign to the other side. I'm going to have negative 20p. So bring down the equal sign because we're done with the variable. Okay. Now on the right side, I want all of my numbers. So here I have, on the right side of the equal sign, I have 5. So I'm going to rewrite 5. Now the negative 8 is on the left side. So of course, if you want to move it over, you need to change the sign of the negative 8 to be a positive 8. So let's go ahead and combine in like terms. Negative 4p subtract 20p gives you negative 24p. Equals 5 plus 8 is 13. Okay, so now this one, negative 24p, is actually negative 24 times p. So to undo the multiplication, you divide by the exact same number in front of p. We divide both sides by negative 24. So I have, this one is cancelled. I have p equals negative 13 over 24. And if you're interested in knowing what is the decimal place for this, then just put in the calculator. Okay? Control enter and you see it's gonna be 0 point something. We're going to do the same exactly on the second problem. Remember to label. This one is my number. This one is my variable. Whatever you see with the letter. Okay. This one is my number. This one is variable. So I need all of my variable to the left side. So I'm going to bring the negative 12x down, because that's a variable that I have on the left side of the equal sign. Okay. Now on the right side of the equal sign, I have negative 16x. I'm going to bring it over here so that I have negative becomes a positive 16x. So now that I have all of my variable to the left side, I'm going to copy that the equal sign. Now I want all of my numbers to the right side. So I have 7. I bring it down 7. The 39 is positive on the left side, but if we move it over to the right side, then I'm going to change the sign into a negative 39. Right? Next step is easy. We're just going to combine the like terms. So 12x plus 16x give you a positive 4x equals 7 minus a 39, or subtract 39, gives you a negative 32. Now 4x, I want to solve for x still. So I'm going to divide both sides by 4. Okay, if I divide both sides by 4, this one is, I have x equals negative 8.